Hello everyone, this is Zukhruf from InfoSharing 360. In today's lecture, we'll explore a new topic that I've prepared by carefully going through handouts, presentations, university video lectures, and my own research. Let's take a look at what we'll be covering. So let's get started. Ever wonder how companies like Amazon or Apple deliver products faster, cheaper, and more reliably? It's all about using SCOR metrics to measure, analyze, and improve their supply chain. Let's break down this global framework. First, reliability measures trustworthiness in delivery. On time delivery measures whether products arrive as promised. Order fulfillment lead time calculates the duration from order placement to delivery. Fill rate determines the percentage of customer demand met from available stock. Perfect order fulfillment evaluates whether orders arrive complete, on time, and undamaged. Second, flexibility tracks adaptability to change. Response time assesses how quickly supply chains adapt to changes. Upside production flexibility measures capacity to increase output when needed. Agility for competitiveness evaluates adaptation speed to market changes. Third, cost reveals financial efficiency. Supply chain management cost totals planning, sourcing, and delivery expenses. Warranty cost percentage calculates repair replacement costs against revenue. Value added per employee measures output contribution per worker. Fourth, asset utilization optimize resource use. Inventory days of supply indicates how long current stock will last. Cash to cash cycle time measures the gap between paying suppliers and receiving customer payments. Net asset turns evaluates how frequently assets generate revenue. Conclusion: these metrics collectively enable businesses to deliver products faster, cheaper, and more reliably, optimizing supply chain performance holistically. Next, we have CPFR. It stands for Collaborative Planning, Forecasting, and Replenishment. It's when partners like stores and suppliers work together to first, jointly plan sales and promotions, second, forecast customer demand, third, agree on shipment quantities, fourth, schedule deliveries in advance. This collaboration ensures products stay available, reduces waste, eliminates last minute orders. CPFR turns supply chains into efficient partnerships. Example: a supermarket and a beverage company team up. They plan a summer juice promo, predict weekly sales of 1,000 bottles, and schedule deliveries in advance. The result: no stockouts, no excess. In short, CPFR turns suppliers and retailers into one seamless team, improving availability while cutting waste. Next, we have the topic of building an effective supply chain. So, there are 5 key steps to create an effective supply chain. First, set clear goals. Define measurable objectives and plans. Second, internal coordination. Align all departments within your company. Third, external collaboration. Work closely with suppliers and customers. Fourth, unified planning. Act as one integrated team across the chain. Fifth, long-term partnerships. Build strong, reliable supplier relationships. Following this framework creates competitive, resilient supply chains. Next, we are covering supply chain performance drivers. Let's explore the 5 key drivers of supply chain performance. First, quality. This means how reliable and well made your products are. Second, cost. This covers expenses to produce and deliver goods. Third, flexibility, how quickly your supply chain adapts to market changes. Fourth, velocity, the speed of product and information flow. Inventory. Velocity means how fast physical goods move through the chain. Information velocity means the real time sharing of data across partners. Fifth, customer service, how effectively you meet buyer expectations. Next, we have supply chain. Challenges. The six key hurdles to it are: first, barriers to integration, difficulty getting partners to collaborate seamlessly. Second, leadership buy in, getting top management support for changes. Third, trade offs, balancing cost, speed, and quality is challenging. Fourth, small business limits, resource constraints in smaller companies. Fifth, variability, unpredictable changes in demand or supply. Sixth, long lead times, delays in receiving materials or products. Recognizing these challenges helps build stronger supply chains. Next, we have supply chain trade-offs. A trade-off means choosing where improving one area may weaken another. Supply chain trade-offs involve balancing competing priorities. Here are five key ones. First, cost versus customer service. Better service usually increases costs. Disintermediation means cutting middlemen to reduce expenses. Second, lot size versus inventory. Large orders save money but increase stock levels. Bullwhip effect means small demand changes amplify up the chain. Third, inventory versus transport cost. More inventory reduces shipments but raises storage costs. Cross docking here means moving goods directly between trucks. Fourth, lead time versus transport cost. Faster shipping costs more, slower options are cheaper. Fifth, product variety versus inventory. More choices require higher stock levels. Um, Delayed differentiation means customizing standard items later. Smart trade off management builds efficient supply chains. Next, we have supply chain issues. Supply chain issues occur at three key levels. First, strategic level, long term decisions about supply chain design. Design means how the chain is structured. Partnering means choosing long term collaborators. Second, tactical level, mid-term policy decisions. Purchasing means how materials are bought. Production means guidelines for manufacturing. Transportation means methods for moving goods. Quality means product standards. Third, operational level, day to day execution. Quality control means daily product checks. Production planning means scheduling what to make. Managing all three levels ensures smooth operations. Next, we have supply chain benefits and drawbacks. Five common supply chain problems with their solutions are: first, large inventories. Solution: smaller, frequent deliveries. Benefit: lower storage costs. Drawback: higher delivery expenses. Second, long lead times. Solution: delayed differentiation. Benefit: faster order response. Drawback: complex management. Third, too many parts. Solution: modular products. Benefit: simplified inventory. Drawback: reduced variety. Fourth, high cost, low quality. Solution: outsourcing. Benefit: cost reduction. Drawback: less supplier control. Fifth, uncertain demand. Solution: better forecasting. Benefit: reduced waste. Drawback: limited product range. Every solution involves strategic trade offs. Next, we have supplier partnership benefits. Close supplier collaboration helps you save costs, boost revenue, and enhance performance. Supplier partnerships boost business performance through three key benefits. First, reduce purchasing costs, spending less on materials and products. Second, increase revenues, selling more and earning higher profits. Third, improve performance, achieving better quality, faster delivery, and smoother operations. Next, we have critical supply chain issues. Two critical issues impact supply chain success. First, technology management benefits: faster, easier, more accurate operations. Risks: potential failures and high maintenance costs. Second, strategic importance focuses on 5 key areas. Quality means meeting customer expectations. Cost means balancing expenses with quality. Agility means responding quickly to changes. Customer service means ensuring satisfaction. Competitive advantage means outperforming rivals. Mastering these drives long term supply chain excellence. Next, we have operation strategy. Operation strategy in supply chain has two core principles. First, value creation. Supply chains create value by delivering a right product at right place at right time in right quantity. Second, competitive advantage. Coordinating all activities, sourcing, inventory, delivery makes businesses faster, cheaper, better than competitors. This strategic approach turns supply chains into competitive weapons. Please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel InfoSharing 360. Thank you for watching this video.